Hello, I just got back from some Sunday morning Goodwill shopping. Let's make a snack. This is tofu that was soaking in bacon sauce, but only like halfway because it didn't actually reach all the sauce to make it tofu bacon. It might be slightly bacon flavored. I don't know. Leftovers is leftovers. Getting some cornstarch. Lid. Just shake and bake. Honestly, this is how easy tofu cooking is. People think it's hard, it's not. And let's go to the pan. This is a pan. I'm glad we're all on the same page. It's toasty, got some oil. And they're gonna chill like that. Now back to me. Did you miss me? Tahini sauce. This was a teeny tiny bit more tahini, so I put like some lime juice, oil, vinegar and whatnot to turn it into a tahini salad dressing, thinking that that's how I was gonna use it. I'm gonna put some soy sauce and some veggie broth in it, with more cornstarch of course, and turn it into like a sesame sauce for the tofus. And that will get rid of this leftover, those leftovers, significant amount of leftovers.
I made this broth from veggie scraps.
Back to these toasty guys. They look like they're about ready to be flipped. Ooh, the heat is a little high. So, a few minutes later, they all crispy. Have a good shake. I'm a terrible scallion mom. They're back there, they look very ugly. This is what I'm going to be using. Do not be like me, do not be a terrible scallion mom. Be nice to your scallions. And convenient lettuce boats. They are both sticky and crunchy now. Possibly a little bit burned, but that probably would not have happened if I wasn't also unloading the dishwasher. Behold, easy, lazy leftover tofu stuff turned into a quick lunch. Hopefully you know tofu is not scary. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see me cooking more cheap vegan protein stuffs, feel free to like this video and leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should come out Tuesdays or Fridays or both. Like always, stay happy, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye. Hot. I feel like it needs more lettuce. Is this the idiot sandwich? No, the idiot sandwich is with a bell pepper. I don't hate the idiot sandwich though. I don't hate this sandwich either. Wouldn't call it a sandwich though, to be fair.